Bro, if you are like fucking addicted to meth or something, please take my word for it. Try matke ka pani.
There's a problem with men and apps, I feel.
There's a problem with men, I feel.
Attack होंगे वापस मत बोल.
Santa's basically like your parents. I'm sorry for whoever I broke that to.
Whichever 5-year-old is watching, we're sorry.
Santa's not real.
Yeah.
I think taxi driver का hinge is Uber and Ola.
Do they flirt with their clients?
They really do. No, bitch. They get like a proposal or like a DM or a like.
इनके माँ बाप इनको बेड से नहीं मारते.
My family left me, at least you want me. Yes, it's for like ransom or something. MC Stan, like I love him. I stan him. MC Stan, you wanna come on me?
We have a seat.
Seat.
For Quiz Moise.
Camila Cabello.
Camila Cabello, we love you.
Cabello. Yeah, she's watching.
Hi guys, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Zia.
And we are Besharam.
Yeah, this is in loving memory of Srishti.
Who hasn't passed away, but she's just not with us for this episode.
Yeah.
But yeah.
For
what's
all
going
her
on?
fans, she'll be there next week. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she's gonna be back soon. But
Yeah, I hope you're
Yeah.
still joining us and you still like enjoy it, even though we don't have a 4-year-old Chotu sa bhai.
छोटा सा
Yeah.
बेचारा मेरा भाई.
Bruh, she's gonna hate this. She's gonna.
but no, it's fine.
It's okay.
Yeah.
What's up with you, Sanj?
I mean, what's going on altogether is
Great question. Have no fucking clue.
Right?
I think it's just what it is to be like, you know, getting older or whatever. But one thing that doesn't
21.
change. Yeah, but you're getting older, like you're not a teenager anymore.
Okay.
But one thing that doesn't change a lot,
Yeah.
well, global warming aside, is like the fucking seasons.
Yeah.
I
Bombay
love it.
specifically.
I mean, the transitions from like winter, Bombay winter to whatever summer we have, which is like all year
That's
round.
the most
That's worst.
drastic.
That's the worst.
I think that's the most Bombay can do when it comes to shifting seasons or like changing.
But the
seasons.
barish also. Barish is pretty bad.
Bro, barish.
I don't know, bro. For
It comes-
unemployed people, maybe. But people that are employed,
That's true. But like barish, just like it comes for a week, then it stops, and then
Does it
it's
say, like-
back again. I
but
don't know what to
it's
make
trying
of
to
barish.
compete with winter, which comes for a day.
Barish wins. Then Barish definitely wins because there's no winter in Bombay.
There is
I'm dressed like one though, but because the room is cold, not Bombay.
one thing
Yeah.
about like people that live in Bombay, we yearn to wear our winter clothes.
Yeah.
I mean,
We don't
there's-
have that many.
I mean, H&M, Zara, and everyone's coming out like a fucking winter collection.
Yeah,
I'm like,
and
मैं पहनूं कहाँ?
no, you want us to wear it in the US.
Exactly.
You want us to buy from you and wear it in the US because where else can we wear it? In our house with the AC on.
Oh yeah,
That's the only place we can wear
That's
it.
the only time. But you know, this is very weird. But I did take out my most patla jacket the other day.
Yeah, yeah.
Like the most.
This
and
is that.
AC was
Honestly,
not on,
it's
but the
that.
fan was on.
No. The only thing about this entire ordeal that gets me excited is the fact that I have these clothes and like it's throughout the year, it's like kept in the back of the cupboard.
Yeah.
And then that 1 week I get to remove them when it's like really cold and then
feels
goes
so
back to being
validating.
And
hot.
then you don't even have plans that week. It's just
Yeah,
so shitty.
it's like see, it's not like I have the best winter clothes because like
yeah.
like
You don't
what's
have
the
winter
point?
here.
You don't have winter here, so I don't
I
have the
refrain from buying like thicker clothes.
same.
Exactly,
The
same.
only time I buy it is if I go to like Kashmir or something.
Yeah.
Like
yeah, you go to Kashmir all
with,
the
you,
time.
with your
Randomly,
parents,
just
at once in a way you go.
Bro, you were like
When you were
3
5.
when you went.
Yeah, but uske baad bhi I went na.
Achha,
Don't
you
go.
went?
Arey
Okay.
wow.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
but like yeah, that's the only time you get like cheap
Proper
and
winter
good
clothes.
winter
Yeah,
clothes over
yeah.
there because of course over there it's like the norm or whatever. But
Yeah.
that's the only time I buy like winter clothes and over there only I wear it. When I come back, it's gone in the bed
It's
again.
gone and yeah,
of course.
definitely.
But over there, you can even rent it and shit. And then you can look all cute. My sister went to London recently and she got so many coats. Not from there. She took it from Bombay. She wore them there. And now they just... So my sister is the kind of person who, like, we have the same kind of cupboard. And hers is, like, always overflowing. This woman lives out of suitcases.
oh shit.
And it works for her because for her work she has to travel a lot. So she just takes
Oh,
one of the
yeah,
fucking
yeah.
suitcases.
Yeah.
And that system works for her. But there's so many suitcases in our house.
But why would she get so many coats?
that's
Because
just
she
her.
travels. Oh,
That's
okay.
no, but that's just her. She loves to spend and like. Okay, granted, I haven't told her this, but the fits went hard. They did. I hope she never sees this because I don't want her to know.
We'll cut
Like,
this out and send it to
one
her
red
personally.
coat,
Yeah.
and I was like, why does that look so fucking sexy? Anyway, but the
But
best
I
part,
don't think I'll ever have the balls to shop for coats like that.
you
Or
don't have the balls.
Like, no,
Yeah.
it's
you
it's
don't
like-
need balls. You need money.
No, fuck. Even if I have them, I'm not gonna go shopping for fucking coats.
But what if you move?
I'll get it from there.
Okay.
No, but the only thing that is keeping me going at this point in time with like everything that's going on is the fact that Christmas is coming.
Christmas.
Like, no, I think that we will get copyrighted. Quizmas. Camila Cabello.
Camila Cabello, we love you.
Cabello. Yeah, she's watching.
Yeah,
What was that
everyone
list
is
at?
watching. Anant Ambani, Radhika Ambani,
Radhika, Jesus.
Rajnikant.
Jesus? Bruh, Jesus is always watching.
With his birthday coming up.
Yeah, he's like,
He's pumped up.
excited. He's
keeping a
excited.
check. No, he's keeping a list and checking it
Yeah,
twice.
yeah.
Little Santa.
I mean, same thing.
Yeah.
No.
Santa comes for Christmas.
Bro, Santa's basically like your parents. I'm sorry for whoever I broke
Breaking
that to.
Whichever 5-year-old is watching, we're sorry.
Santa's not real.
Yeah. No, but honestly, Christmas is. I feel festivals like Diwali and Christmas should be there throughout the year. Now, I'll tell you why. Listen to
This
me, okay?
bitch.
Just
It's a. It's just the thing that I have, okay?
Yeah.
Life is anyway so fucking tough and irritating.
Yes.
And then when you come out of your work or if you come out of your funk and then you see like, you know, like, oh, the entire street is lit up with lights or like people are like excited about like firecrackers or like sweets and stuff. It just elevates your mood so much. And then when you just know that there's something bigger happening than your life
Yes.
at the moment, it's just so like, okay, everything is gonna
It's
be fine.
comforting.
It's comforting to know
Yeah.
that there's something more going on beyond like your shit schedule.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then those months you're like maybe being like independent, working, you know. Like,
isn't all that
it's
bad.
fine.
It's not
fine,
bad.
all that
Like-
bad.
In like April, maybe.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
Oh,
Bro,
that's depressing.
Feb. I feel like Feb is the worst month.
Yeah. It's the
Feb-
shortest though.
No,
Feb is
I
not the
feel
worst.
Feb to May
is the worst
May,
month.
June, July.
Oh,
Bruh.
But that's the trio.
Bruh.
That is only because of the rains. But I'll tell you why. Like Feb to May. No, listen to me, na. Feb to May is so like dry in every sense. There's no festivals. The season
It
the
is.
weather is like horrible.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's nothing happening. You come out of like whatever you're doing and you're like,
5 minutes you're out of your house and you're already drenched in sweat.
no, that's a perpetual thing that's going on. But
But like it's still a little bit cooler in Bombay now, I feel.
I'm telling you now.
I'm not gonna call it chilly. It's cooler.
The reason why I brought this up today is because that day I remember when I removed my patla sweater, I went to have water from my matka, bruh.
oh,
Better than fucking drugs. Better than
Matke ka
hard
pani,
fucking drugs, bro.
bitch.
If you are like fucking addicted to meth or something, please take my word for it.
Yeah.
Try matke ka pani.
you'll be hooked on.
That's the good
You'll be
stuff.
going back to that shit every 5 minutes. Like
so
matke
true.
ka pani from November, October end November beginning
November to
No,
to
November.
like Feb.
Jan end.
October was bad.
November to Feb. Ooh, baby, that
beautiful.
Yeah.
it's
Not
the
even- I think
perfect
Jan
temperature. It's like the perfect temperature between like cold and like
yeah.
room temperature. It's that balance.
It's so good. And
it's so good.
you know, I've cracked the code. Like, I know how to make it in the summers also with like a little bit of.
You've made me had it. Like
I
have it.
know,
I love
right?
it. I love it.
Why are we so gassed up about this?
Why we
It
gassed up
is-
about? It's better than
it's
being gassed up
beautiful.
about bad things.
Yeah, that's fair.
Let's put
That's
it that
fair.
way, you
That's
know?
fair. That's fair. But yeah, all things said and done, matke ka pani is the shit. Better than drugs. Do it.
Yes, but better than that is Christmas.
Oh yeah, no, I don't want to like compare the two. For sure,
Yeah.
Christmas is better.
Christmas. It's so much better, dude. Like, I love everything about Christmas. And I know it'll sound like, oh, I'm a Catholic and I'm talking about Christmas, but I don't fucking care. Like, I love Christmas.
I love
Yeah,
it.
I feel everyone
We love
loves
Christmas.
Christmas. And if you don't love Christmas, start loving Christmas. Like,
Yes.
it'll change your life. Like, you know, the thought of just, like, Christmas in my mind, like, makes my troubles and my problems go away.
What is it that happens on
Yeah, see,
Christmas
exactly.
or around it?
So, it's like any other like it's like your birthday. Like, you know, when the day comes, it's like ugh.
It's not your birthday. It's Jesus'
It's
birthday.
Jesus' birthday. But like, you know, what I'm saying is when the day actually comes, it's like, oh, okay. But the days leading up to it and the environment
The
around
preparation?
the preparation, like I don't know, like at least in my house, we, like any other like family that celebrates Christmas, there's of course the whole preparation of sweets and cakes and decorating your house, and on the day
I love the milk thing.
it's
I
called
love the milk
milk
things.
toffees, marzipans.
So Dhritika said she liked it. Last year, your mom got some, and then I was like hesitant because I don't like barfi.
Yeah.
And then I tried one, and I was like,
We ate that
It's
shit
basically
up.
condensed milk.
ooh.
We
Like
ate that shit
stirred
up.
it up
Yeah.
on the gas until it becomes a little thick, and then you just mold it into like these cute little molds.
I even love
piece of art.
karanja.
Karanji, there's
You make it for
Nuri.
Christmas, no?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
make we don't make karanji. It's
You
Nuri.
do?
Yeah, we
Huh.
so basically Diwali mein it's called karanji and it's called Nuri for
It's
Christmas.
the little pastry thing with coconut inside.
But yeah,
I
the
love
coconut or soji ka filling inside.
I
Yeah.
love it.
And then there is marzipan, which is basically kaju katli.
Kaju katli. But
So
it's
if you
But
see-
it's almond, na?
Dude,
Marzipan is made with almond. I've
Some
heard.
people make it with almonds, some people make it with kaju.
it's just like fancy, colorful kaju katli.
Yeah,
Like cute
yeah.
shapes.
It's like
love
cute
it.
love the
shapes.
shapes.
They're like snackables, you know?
Yeah, bro.
Kaju
like,
katli is like a full-on mithai, but this is like chakna.
we make like, so we put like an entire big piece of paper, and then the entire thing is filled with like the sweets, and then once it's like dried up or whatever, like once
You
it's
should tell
molded
the
properly,
story of that.
I'll do it for Christmas this
Yeah,
year.
you
But yeah,
should.
we have like 2-3 dabbas filled with like those marzipans, and
see
it's
now.
honestly a snack. Like if you start eating one, you can't stop at one.
Yes.
One more like fan favorite of mine is the one where like it's kind of savory and it's
Kalkal.
Yeah,
Kal.
I love.
It looks like
love
pasta,
those.
no?
Yeah,
Yeah. Gnocchi, yeah.
It's too good, man.
Yes.
Like I remember at least like last year, I decorated my house like I usually do in the night because like
Yeah.
the house is like
Quieter.
it's empty, like no one's coming in the way of you decorating the house or whatever. You decorate the house and then the next morning you get up to like fully
Decorated
decorated house. Like I can't even explain the feeling.
Yeah.
You have to be there in
And
like
the
early
cinemas
morning to
you
see it.
make in your house, like even if you like change the bed sheet, it's like a surprise to you.
Yeah.
But I can't even imagine what it is like when you've just decorated your entire. There's
Yeah.
a fucking Christmas
Do
tree.
you
There's a
remember?
huge tree in my hall. There's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
decorations around the house. There's a
Love.
star outside.
You
The
remember?
vibe's different.
Sanjana's always the one to crib about decorating.
Crib?
But then once she's done
Fun.
You didn't realize that?
It used to be fun in school also when they had the whole setup.
Yeah, so we went to a convent school, like the two of us. I mean, even she did go
You
to a
must have seen
convent.
this also. तेरे भी
I
school में
know,
होता होगा.
bhai.
हाँ.
Yeah. Convent school only.
And then like
same
there's
school, different branch.
Yeah.
Yeah, different font. So we have like a crib in like school, and then we also do it in our house.
Yeah.
I was saying how Sanjana cribs all the time about decorating, but then once she's done decorating, she's so pumped up about it.
Yeah.
And then she'll like
I saw
tell
this.
us, I'm done decorating and this
Yeah.
and that. It's so cute.
I saw this lady on Reels, and she was talking about like Christmas decoration trends that she doesn't like, and that made so much like the kind of I'm just jumping, but it made a lot of sense of the things that she said, because one of them was like the kind of Christmas trees that the Kardashians or somebody has, like. It looks like a grocery store. It doesn't have any soul in it. It's all you bought like golden ornaments and you've made a golden tree, and it just
Exactly.
it has no personality, no
True.
soul.
Right.
You know, that is so true because see, how I consider how I view Christmas is not very, very traditional, because the very, very traditional ones are like, to be honest, they're very boring. But then I don't like to go so modern that you take out the entire element of Christmas from
Fair.
it.
Yes.
You know, you either make it an entire white tree or an entire gold tree. I'm like, bro,
It looks
what
like a
is
grocery
that?
store.
Exactly.
That's with every festival, I feel. I mean, people try to make it very relatable and like very modern, be it any festival.
Exactly.
And then it just sucks the soul out of the.
Yeah, because
Even in
the
Diwali,
festival.
when they get fancy like petals instead
Yeah,
of
the
rangoli,
normal- yeah,
and then they make a rangoli out of petals, and it looking like so pristine until and unless
It
like
looks a little shabby
you-
to me. I don't know.
you are the kind of person that like has always made rangoli and this is like your passion or whatever, like then I get it. It's, if it's in front of your house, but if it's in front of everyone's houses, it's like it's unrealistic and I don't want
I feel
it.
like some things should just be kept
as is.
as is. I don't know, for the spirit to still be alive of that festival. So when I like I mentioned, like when I view Christmas, what I think about is those old 2000s movies about those Christmas, you know, like Home Alone or something.
Yeah.
It's I close my eyes and I can picture what, of course this is very like
Romanticized
in
version.
a very US thing of,
Yeah.
you know, like how they decorate their
Very
houses in
Western.
Christmas. Very Western. But I don't know, there's something about it that still feels very homely about that to me.
Home Alone.
Home Alone.
Yeah. I think I would love being Home Alone. Like I would love to be that kid from Home Alone.
Really?
Yeah, I just sleep. Like no one's gonna fucking bug me. I wouldn't do all that shit he did. Like I honestly don't care. You wanna kidnap me? Sure. Do it.
I wouldn't even stop
My
him.
family left me. At least you want me. Yes, it's for like ransom or something. But wait, why did the kidnappers like go to his house? Did they need? Were they like
Because
robbing?
they thought the house was empty and they could rob.
Ah,
Isn't that the premise of every robber?
robber. A robber's not
A robber.
a thief.
A robber thief.
Rob-
A
Robber's a
robber's a
word.
word.
Yeah.
Okay.
You stupid.
A robber's a word.
Are you racist?
But yeah, speaking about good things, has
That's
any?
also bad.
There is definitely bad. The Grinch. No, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. What were you saying? What's bad about your life at the moment?
The other station.
The other station is the problem. The current problem of Dritika's life.
The other station.
Please
for real.
elaborate.
I feel the other station is trying to be CST station with the number of platforms it has.
How many
fucking
platforms is there?
80, not like
Dude,
more than
fuck
20.
CST has
You.
more than that.
Fuck you, 80.
I'm not kidding.
Like,
Yeah.
no, I don't know.
No, for real, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
it
because-
almost has, I think, almost 20
Is there a
platforms.
place in the other?
No, because
Not
it has,
the other CST. CST has 20 platforms.
Yeah,
the
that's
other, I
because
think,
it
also
also
has
has outstation ke liye na.
Exactly.
And the other is all three, no? Central, Western, and Harbour.
It's not Harbour, no?
The other is all three. No,
The other
Central,
is not
Western, and
Harbour.
Central and Western only. The other
Do
has
hai.
two. Central and Western.
Whatever.
whatever. I don't give two shits about the other station because it doesn't care
Clearly
about
you do
me.
though, and tell them why.
So what happened? I was going for my classes, and I got on the train. It wasn't that crowded, but then when I got on the train from my station, a lot of crowd was like entering
Like it
the train.
usually
Yeah.
is.
And the worst part about it is if you have a place to stand, you don't have a place to hold on to something.
You have to hold on
Or
to
agar-
someone else.
Exactly. And if you have a place to hold on to, you don't have a place to fucking stand.
Anyone
Like,
who's-
what the fuck do I do? Do I fucking fly on the train?
I'm sorry to cut you off, but there's this one friend of mine in college also who had to travel
Yeah.
to college through Dandar.
I can imagine the pain.
Bro, he told me that he held on to the thing and his feet were not on the ground. Like he was going with the crowd.
I've fucking seen that. People, the only thing
Like you're
on the
doing
train,
monkey bars?
He's holding it and his legs are like going with the crowd. And I'm like, bro,
the
what?
only thing people have on the train is their hands. They're literally flying. I've seen it. I'm not exaggerating.
Is it Dada
That's how
station? Is
crazy
it the
Dada
jungle
is.
gym?
Bitch, it is everything you don't want it to be.
Wait, all trains are like this?
No, he's just the one
Dadar
that
is
is
like
All
not
trains
hell.
at Dadar.
Yes.
Oh.
Depends on the
pick
time
any.
also. The time that you're traveling.
I feel Dadar is started any time. I'm finally on the train struggling for my legs.
Oh, you're
And then
like
I have
that.
a place to stand and
Whoa.
something to hold on to.
I do have a question. Were you
Go
in the
on.
ladies' dabba?
No, I was in the gents dabba.
Gents?
What are you saying, dude?
No, ladies
Acha,
is brutal.
late. Oh my god.
Brutal. See, I know trains.
I'm gonna go off track and say the story. So one of my friends, he was traveling from
You're gonna go off track.
Kor-
Sorry. Sorry.
one of my friends was traveling from Kurla back to wherever.
Why was your friend at Kurla? Sorry.
That's not the point of the question of the story. And he was right next to the gents dabba. That's next to the handicap wala section in the train. Okay, and somebody got on the handicap wala section. Okay, and the people in the handicap section, they like started to fight कि तू यहाँ पर क्यों चढ़ा है, तू handicap नहीं है, ये वो. And then amidst of this argument, one guy just stands up and says, जाने दे उसका. It was so fucking funny. Anyway, I'm on the train and अभी दादर के लिए उतरना है. And the problem for Dadar is, if you're not standing to get off at Dadar station, you will not be able to get off on the station.
I disagree. I feel like even if you don't
I
want
missed
to,
that.
I said even if you want to get off if you're not standing right next to the door, तुझे उतरने नहीं मिलेगा दादर पे.
Okay,
I feel like the crowd will make you get down.
You're sitting
You
and
just
you want to go to Dadar station, you want to get off, there's no place.
You have to get up like 2 stations
because
before.
people are also climbing while getting off.
I saw this stand-up comedy of this guy. I don't remember his name, but he just said that if you're ever underconfident about boarding or like deboarding the train, just pick one confident guy.
Yeah.
See them,
Stand
He's
in
so
front
funny.
of them and you will go.
You will go in and you
Side
go out.
note, that guy is too fucking funny.
He's too good.
He is very good. Like, you guys know who we're talking about.
Yeah.
It's pretty famous.
I wish we got the name, but
Yeah.
anyway, all of his
He wears
videos
specs
are
and
great.
he's tall.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's kind of cute.
Go ahead.
And then I'm already pissed about getting on the train when there's so much a crowd. And when I have to get off at Dadar, I start feeling anxiety.
It is true.
Because I don't know what's in store for me, right? What if my chappal train में रह गया और मैं train के बाहर हूँ? मेरा bag रह गया मैं train के
Is
बाहर
that
हूँ?
foreshadowing?
I don't fucking know. And I'm pretty stressed about it. I'm like, what if मैं train के बाहर हूँ but मेरा bag अंदर है, मेरा चप्पल अंदर है? भाई डर लगता है, ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा हुआ है.
Anything is possible on Dadar station.
And then the other stations come, okay? I'm all like mentally, physically prepared to push people and be like, hut, all of that jazz, okay? And some stupid auntie steps on my chappal.
Love.
And my chappal breaks.
What kind of chappal were you wearing? Like sandal?
My normal flip-flops.
Oh,
The
okay.
other fancy one, not the ones that I'm wearing right now.
I mean, obviously.
Yeah. Some stupid auntie steps on it and then my chappal breaks. I'm like, theek hai. I didn't lose my shit till then. I was pretty composed because I had to go for my classes and that was the mission on my mind. Like classes ko pahunchna hai.
Maturity.
Exactly. I tried to keep it together till then. Then I got to the station और मैं आगे निकल गई crowd से, चप्पल पीछे ही रह गया. फिर मैंने ऐसे करके crowd से ऐसे करके, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये literally क्या मैंने किया है. This is exaggerated.
People aside to look at your chappal.
Yes.
Love.
Then I found it and I देखा टूट गया, मैंने चप्पल हाथ में लिया and I'm walking barefoot at this point.
One chappal you're wearing?
Yeah.
Okay.
One I'm wearing, one of my feet.
Langdi.
Yeah, almost. अभी नॉर्मल इंसान को क्या लगेगा कि स्टेशन के आसपास या स्टेशन पर मोची रहेगा ना?
Yeah.
Obviously.
रहना तो चाहिए.
रहना चाहिए.
There's one shoe polish wala also in
They
it.
do
like
it.
a lot of
दादर
stations.
स्टेशन पे इतना भीड़ है, तुमको स्टेशन नहीं दिखता है, तुमको मोची कहाँ से दिखेगा?
वो भी नीचे बैठते हैं.
Exactly.
कैसे दिखेगा?
Exactly.
This crowd.
अंकल किधर हो आप?
Bro, Mochi should have like
A platform.
above.
है ना?
So people can see. You have
They're not cops, dude.
They are more helpful.
I swear
Bro,
भाई.
they're like you have to take stairs to go to the Mochi.
हाँ भाई. कैच पकड़ चप्पल.
Catch a bucket.
And then I've asked everyone around, like the local.
Like the shoe shop.
And I've asked the locals around जिनका दुकान है स्टेशन के आसपास कि यहाँ पर आसपास मोची है. सबने बोला हाँ आगे राइट में गली है, वहाँ पर कोने पे मिलेगा, लेफ्ट में कोने पे मिलेगा, यहाँ से राइट लो, यहाँ से लेफ्ट लो. मैंने सब किया. I've almost roamed entire Dadar at this point. ठीक है?
Yeah.
With a chappal in my hand. And then this one very helpful lady, she saw me that I was asking for a mochi, and then she's like, are you looking for a mochi? I'm like, yeah, do you know where I can find one? She's like, ये गली से ना आप गली के नाके तक जाओ, आपको वहाँ पर definitely मिलेगा. और उसने इतना convincingly बोला, मैं मान गई. मैंने पूरा गली चला, ठीक है? And
Bro, she was fucking with you.
there was no mochi.
One second, why would you fuck with a person like that?
No, she just looked very helpful, and
But she was fucking with you at the end of the day.
she wasn't. She was working in the building right opposite the gully. So of course I figured she might know. Anyway, and then I reach the gully. There's no mochi, and I break down. I'm crying on the road. I called up Sanjana. I asked her, where is she? And then Sanjana was also leaving from work. And apparently, from the sound of it, she also had a bad day. So I didn't want to press her about it.
And then she called me.
And then I called Zia.
But
she didn't answer the first time because she was sleeping. And then when
I was sick.
You were sleeping.
I was sick sleeping.
But you were sleeping.
I had acidity.
Pooja.
But then I picked up a call and then we were supposed to go watch a movie. So like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, you can, like, if you come, like, I'm gonna leave like 5 minutes after
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
So,
so-
no point.
Dhritika had called me, like you called me, and then that was my first day of work. Okay, and I left from work and I was on the station, and then she called me. She's like, "Sanjana, kidhar hai?" And then I was like, I've left from work. I'm like heading home right now. And she's like, ठीक है. Okay, bye. And then she cut the call very abruptly. So I was like, okay, something is up because she usually doesn't cut the call like that.
Yeah.
So then I called her up again and she's like, Bol. And I'm like, what happened? She's like, nothing, yaar. My chappal broke on the station and I have to walk barefoot home. And I'm like, do you need me to come pick you up from somewhere? She's like, no, it's okay. And that's when I figured that she broke her chappal.
But that's the most.
I need
Yeah.
I need an artist to make
Dada
this into
should-
like a sort of like doodle piece or
Yeah.
something.
Like a
Dhritika
cartoon.
sobbing with one chappal in her hand. Like I need that in my. I think I'll frame it in my hall.
Yeah, and like Dhritika crying on the station, me coming back from work, Zia's sick, sleeping on the way to a movie.
Yeah.
And
On the way to her. Okay,
And
guys, you guys
Srishti-
are getting this all wrong.
and Srishti doing her business there.
For sure.
Because we have to
You
include
know
her.
that little like painting thing I have
Yes.
in my hall
Yeah.
beside
Yeah,
the TV?
yeah.
That is where it's going to go.
Love. But yeah.
That so the other station no longer is.
Dada should get a personality, I feel.
Bro, that's so weird because our first like big video on Reels was about the other station.
Oh, yeah.
Have you healed from that situation?
Has Srishti
I don't
healed
think.
from that situation?
Have we healed? अब तो हंस रहे लेकिन क्या लोग हंस रहे हैं?
लोग नहीं हंस रहे
लोग उनको पता ही नहीं है ना कि हंसना है कि नहीं.
हाँ, you know, you have a point. You have a point.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
एक और चीज जिसपे मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है,
बताओ.
and that is the cab situation in Bombay. Initially, when cab drivers knew that they needed us, they would take us anywhere and everywhere without saying a no. But now, they know that we need them more than they need us. Bitches have gotten an attitude.
It's the same thing that happened like before dating apps. How men used to be. Before dating apps, men were like, we need women.
There's a problem with men and apps, I feel.
There's a problem with men, I feel.
Attack होंगे वापस मत बोल.
Yeah, I mean,
ठीक है यार, अब
not the
deal
men
with
that
it
watch
यार.
us.
Deal with it.
Anyway, so you know earlier, like our parents' age or whatever, or like even older millennials, you know, men used to really pursue women. Like
Yes.
men used to put in all this work. From what I've heard,
Bring flowers, bring gifts,
all the
chocolates,
women,
whatever.
everything. Okay, if they wanted a woman, they really needed to work for it. And now, when they see like fucking, I don't want to say this, but desperate women on Hinge, specifically, they are like, okay, like now I have options, and then they like,
अब
then they
करेंगे
fuck
breadcrumb. अब दिखाएंगे इनको.
क्या बोल रही है? Bestie,
Yeah.
we
go
love
on.
you. नहीं, for sure, ठीक है.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's the same thing. Like
It's the same thing, I definitely.
taxi. You think taxi drivers are on Hinge?
I think they have a family too.
I think taxi driver का Hinge is Uber and Ola.
Oh my god. Do they flirt with their clients?
They really do. No, bitch. They get like a proposal or like a DM or a
Yeah.
like, basically.
Oh my
and
god,
then they accept or reject it.
accept or
It's
reject.
worse because over there they accept or reject based on the amount that they're getting.
Bro.
Dude, that's in drive.
Arey, are you stupid?
It's even on Uber.
अबे देखते ना, you get 98. 98 किसको चाहिए? मुझे 150 चाहिए.
It sounds like you're very, you know what's up.
I know.
I love those taxi walas
The world
who
is
are-
getting too advanced right now.
who have like a slightly bigger car, a little bit like well kept, and they have like it's a taxi, but they
Yeah,
take
yeah,
like
yeah.
you can halt it, or they also have Uber.
They business.
Bhai,
are very
they're-
smart.
They are very smart. If I was a taxi driver, that's the kind of taxi driver I would be.
You know, I'd gone by Uber somewhere the other day, and bro, I don't want to say this, but like, it looked like a whorehouse. It had like a chandelier in the cab.
God.
I'm not kidding. It
I
had red fluffy pillows and stuff, and I'm like, what business are you?
I love
Trying to do here.
taxis that are a whorehouse. They're the vibiest.
And they have like jataki
Jatak-
lights.
Yeah, the blue
Lights.
ones. The blue ones.
Yeah.
And there's a fan.
Red. Yeah, there's fans on two sides,
Bitch,
bro.
I feel fancy.
Am
Yeah.
I paying premium for this experience?
But
I'm not.
I feel the better kinds of vehicles who do have this are rickshaws, bro. Like,
Oh yeah,
it's like free, not free, like, it's ventilation is great.
Both
that
sides,
big
yeah.
IKEA. Once I was there with my friends, and then we had to get like rickshaws. I don't know why the rickshaws outside of that IKEA are just so vibey. Like
Whoa.
one of us got like a disco wala, and one of us got a red one.
Bitch, I love that.
They know their clientele.
They-
They know who they want to attract.
Yeah, something very funny I saw on Instagram, which was from Twitter, I guess, whatever. But so as you guys know that Trump has won the US election. I don't want to say anything about it. Great. Good for him.
Yeah.
Or bad. I don't know. But the Prime Minister of Pakistan has congratulated Trump on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. And like he was like, okay, congratulations, Trump, whatever, blah blah, formal fucking message. The catch is the man has used a VPN because X is banned in Pakistan. That's so funny that like the leader of your country had to use a VPN to congratulate another world
That's
leader.
so sad.
That is very sad.
It's
And-
cute, yeah.
Why would you do that though? Like congratulate him over email or something. I bet they have each other's
Instagram is
emails.
still
right?
fine.
It's
I mean,
what, like a photo dump?
अरे भाई call कर ले यार.
If he doesn't have Twitter, he definitely does not have the Prime Minister's number.
Joke समझ में नहीं आया आपको, दीदी. शाबाश.
I also didn't understand.
मेरे में problem है. No, but yeah, that's
yeah.
cute, yeah. I mean, he's trying to,
Feel included.
not feel included. He's just trying to be a sport about it and be like, hey, buddy, congrats.
But then like unban it or something. You know, it got banned in April because of some election fraud. How ironic.
What the fuck is up with Pakistan?
What the fuck is up
Maja aa
with the
raha hai.
world, bro?
Maja aa raha hai.
What is up with the world? Like legit, like sorry, I'm getting to another topic right now, but like the world is very weird right now. Obviously,
right now.
like there is YouTubers that we saw like growing up, and now like for the longest time it felt like nobody gave a shit about India, and now they just want to come here to make money.
Oh my
God,
god,
yes.
yeah. Like, they're like,
Yes.
oh.
The whole Mr. Beast thing, obviously.
Yeah.
KSI, Mr. Beast, and who's the other guy? Logan Paul.
And
even Speed.
Even Speed, yeah.
Speed, but like, I feel like he just
He comes here
He
quite
was
often.
fine.
Yeah.
he came here once. Sorry.
Ah,
he came
sorry,
here
sorry.
once.
Yeah, correct. Sorry.
But he like did a fuck ton of shit when he came to India.
Yeah.
He did crazy
Wasn't
things.
his stream like sort of racist a little bit?
I don't
think he went
remember.
to he visited MC Stan, and then he was kind of like laughing at like the fact that he couldn't speak English.
Correct. Because MC Stan was
Oh.
trying to be like a sport and like, just feed off the vibe. And then he, I think, made fun of
It's
something
one
that he
thing
said or something.
being racist. It's another thing making fun of fucking MC Stan. Okay.
Yeah. I take that shit very seriously.
I take that very seriously. You do not make fun of my man.
yeah, man.
I love him.
yeah.
Never heard a better mumble
Mumbler.
rap in my life.
He's a mumbler.
And you might think that I'm trying to joke around here,
Or be
but I
ironic.
genuinely like MC Stan. Like I love him. I stan him. MC Stan, you want to come on?
We have a seat.
We have a seat. Like we I think I'll have a fucking amazing conversation with the man.
No,
I see
I
it.
feel like people like him. I feel like there's so much to talk about with them because they're like,
Right.
it's not like they're not serious, but like they're just so easy to talk to.
They're
I believe that they would be easy to
Yeah,
talk to.
like
and I've
they're
spoken to
almost
him.
bakchods.
Yeah.
So, the thing about like these Western like YouTubers, like they come here to almost feel like they are coming to a museum or something. That's what it feels like to me.
Like they're a little uppity.
हाँ मतलब
They're like, oh, these people want to see us, and like, you know, us going here is going to be such a big deal for them.
Like they're gonna be
Yeah.
people and
yeah,
like
you know,
and
fighting to come to see us.
But then again, like these children also prove them right.
you
I
can't
feel like
blame them for
they're
liking.
teenagers. Like
right?
these people their following is only like teenagers.
I mean, back then, if you knew one of your favorite YouTubers was coming to India, wouldn't you
Correct.
Yeah.
fight and be like, I want to go see them?
Yeah, I saw this reel of
Fight your parents.
I saw this reel of I think Logan Paul getting in a cab or like not a cab in his car at some place, and there were paparazzi around him. And bhai, matlab, if you're coming to a place like this, you're of course going to expect to get papped, right?
Yeah.
People are going to take pictures of you, and his team had like flashlights to avoid the paparazzi taking pictures of him. I'm like, bro, what's the point then? If you're coming here for something,
You're definitely coming here for
like,
not for
see,
one.
you
that's
are
one
a
of the
celebrity
reasons.
at this point,
Yeah.
and you know you have a following, so might as
Yeah.
well like let people, you know, give the people what they want.
I saw people making videos about like going to every major hotel in Bombay and just like waiting to see if like they
Get
are
one
there.
glance of them.
Of waiting for who?
These
Waiting
guys.
for KSI, Logan, and
Oh.
Mr. Beast. These people combined have legit so
So
much
much
influence.
power. Yes.
Yeah.
It's unfathomable.
Exactly.
It's insane. Like these people they ask you to buy this mug with my lipstick stain on it. It's gone within minutes, seconds. They have insane influence.
That's the Prime. That happened with Prime in India, no?
It's also we wanted to try Feastables
Yeah.
on camera, and it's all sold out everywhere. Even though I've heard from some people in the team that have tried it, it's pretty mediocre.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
saw a guy trying and he's like, sorry, it tastes like Galaxy.
I like Galaxy.
But
No, but
what's
there's nothing
the use?
great about it.
What's the use?
that's
It's like
what's-
if you get
Yeah.
lint, you don't have anything similar to lint in
in
India.
the Indian market, yeah. But it's so weird because Prime and Feastables available in like the UK, USA, a few other like maybe Canada or something, and India. Like no other country really. Like because I wanted to compare, right? And my sister was in Dubai last week. And I was like, like if you can get some Feastables from there. And she's like, they don't have Feastables here. They don't have it in the Middle East. They don't have it anywhere else. But they wanted to come to...
I think these guys target such countries where they know people get influenced really easily.
Maybe.
Because considering only India, I don't know about the other countries, but considering India, we as Indians get influenced very easily if it's someone from the Western side of the world
Yeah.
who's trying to, even if it's like a very small product, say anything.
Yeah.
If as soon as it's like launched in India, everyone wants to get it. Even if they can't afford it or whatever, for whatever reasons that they can't afford it, they still will fight for it. And that's why they target countries like India, I feel. But the Middle East is like, they have better things over there, I feel.
Possibly.
Their
I don't know,
chocolates
maybe
are
it's
way ahead of like what
Exactly,
Feastables will
what
be.
we have.
So
I don't want to talk about like how deteriorated chocolates get when they come to India. Like Indian Kit Kat is actual ass. Wait,
It's
I
shit.
shouldn't say that.
It is actually shit, but
I love Kit Kat.
Yeah, it's too
I would
sweet
prefer
here.
Munch over Kit Kat.
I
I'm a Munch
love
girly.
Kit Kat.
Anyway, so all of this is happening and nobody is even acknowledging the fact that Mr. Beast is going through like this major cancellation right now. Right, like you remember Rosanna Pansy? You know Rosanna
Yeah.
Pansy, no? So apparently she was in one of his videos and she was in the top 3. He
Who is she?
edited. She
She's
was
a
a
baker. She's like a baker YouTuber. She used to
Okay.
bake. She makes challenge videos, but she's
very
predominantly
cookie cutter, like
Okay.
she's a short lady. She bakes.
she has a show also on TV.
She
I
doesn't
think.
even cuss. She is very high
Very clean.
production, very clean,
Basic,
Yeah.
chill.
very basic, very chill. I used to love her
I
when I was
love
young.
same.
So she was apparently in one of his challenge videos, and they edited out to make it look like somebody else was in the top 3 when she was in the top 3. Apparently, Jimmy, Mr. Beast, is not that great with women. Like he's like a guy's guy and like
Why am I not surprised?
Yeah.
Nobody's surprised. Apparently, he is like faking his philanthropy videos.
Brother,
So
I didn't know
he's
that.
like making hospitals and places, and then like he's making it look like the hospitals were in more like
Worse conditions than they were.
And it's a CGI, bro. And if you pause and see and if you zoom, like you can tell it's fucking edited.
Oh shit.
And he doesn't give a shit. It's up on YouTube for everyone to see. Can you believe that he made a video of like curing 50 people's blindness? He got a lot of places to donate stuff for the procedures, and he got that sorted. And he
was that for real though?
yeah, so he did cure 50 people's whatever cataract surgery or whatever it is.
But again, you don't know if that's actually true.
No, so people did get cured.
Okay.
But the company who did, or like the clinic who performed the surgeries, had to make a video on YouTube because they were like, we have reached out to this man for months and he refuses to pay us for our labor.
Oh, shit.
And then after the video was posted, they made like another video saying, okay, it's like all sorted out with Jimmy. So we did get paid. But then they had to make a video about it. Like, if you are the kind of guy
But,
that is like, okay, like giving to the people is my thing, then just fucking do it. Why lie?
But then you
And
you
even if
also
you
never
can't,
know.
just say it out loud that I couldn't, and I promise
But
I
that
will in
would
the
get
future,
them
or whatever.
That would get him a bad rep. Now that is not something that they would
Or
want
like,
to
don't
take
make
up.
the video.
Yeah, but then you never know. Now these doctors or whoever worked to cure these blind people, Mr. Beast must have given them more money to come out with a video saying that, oh, now it's sorted. Like you
But
never know.
He doesn't want his image to get tainted. It was
No,
a pretty...
that's why these guys probably made a video saying, now it's everything is sorted.
Like
you
part
never
of
know
their deal.
which way this could have gone. But what I don't understand is these people, like if they know they're doing like some fucked up shit, are they unaware about the fact that this will eventually come to light? Like you can't be this stupid, right? You've been in the industry for so long. People are getting cancelled left, right, and center. Like if you're doing something behind someone's back and you know it's wrong, doesn't that click to you that eventually even, I'll get called out?
So there was this other lady who is like Sugar Bake. I don't remember her name, but she is a baker again, not Rosanna. Different baker, and she makes realistic cakes, hyper realistic cakes. She made a video of like maybe last year. I remember seeing this. It went pretty viral. So it was a video of a toilet seat cake, and somebody sat on it and like showed like it was like the toilet seat was made out of cake. Okay. You must have seen it. Like it's pretty fucking viral. Okay. And the voiceover was that this is a sign for you guys to not make any work of art without having a contract in place because I made this cake to show to a big YouTuber. She said a big YouTuber. In order for them to make it for a video, and this was just for me to show them that I can make it. Even though I told them that it's pretty expensive, are you sure you can afford it? They were like, yeah, sure, go ahead. And then turns out that they went with a different baker. They showed the video to the different baker and they were like, okay, make this for her.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and it came out that it was Mr. Beast. And as soon as she posted the video, Jimmy was like, hey, get on a call with me. And then she made a video.
Course.
She made again the same thing with the guy with the clinic.
That's what I'm saying.
She made a video saying, oh, it's all sorted out with Jimmy.
Exactly.
So, be
become a
aware of
pattern
who
of
you
his.
make your hero. Like, I know a lot of people watching this right now are very young. So, I'm saying don't idolize people so much that you think they can
And
do
even
no
if
wrong.
you want
You
to
get
idolize them, you
blindsided.
should know fully inside out of what they're doing and what they don't do, and don't just consider what they're doing wrong and justify it.
No, but then that's...
Accept the fact that there's something wrong.
By the time this comes out, it's too late. You're too deep into the...
No,
into
but
it.
even if I have to idolize someone and if they're doing something wrong, I'm not going to be like, no, single, let me
But you're saying that now when you're 21, think about the fan following who are like 13, 14-year-olds. They will idolize them because they're like, oh, bhai, ye to sab hai.
Fair.
So even if they're doing something wrong, they will, in that state of mind, they're not going to have that capacity to be like, oh, but no, like this is wrong, this is right. They
But
just
you
wanna follow.
remember when I was at least young, like at that age, and I used to use Musically, and I was like, okay, baby Ariel said the N-word, so what? I was too deep into it. That's what I'm trying to tell the people that are watching this. You know, you can look at the people you adore online with a critical lens. It's fine. They are also just humans and they will make mistakes. It's not that you can't enjoy their content anymore. It's just you have to be a little aware of who they are. And of course, do not get obsessed because
That leads to
Good.
cancellation.
Yeah.
that's not great. You're just not gonna have a good time when they eventually
Yeah.
do get cancelled, which
Yeah.
happens with most big YouTubers.
It
at
happened
this
to
point.
us when we idolized so many of them, and today they are cancelled.
I thought you was gonna say like it happened to us.
No.
Yeah, I mean we don't have fans. They don't know when to laugh.
Yeah.
No. We love everyone that
Yes.
Every
watches
single
this.
one
We
of
do.
y'all out there who's
We
loving
are
us, watching
literally.
us.
I have no idea how we manage to get people to watch us talk. I can't fathom it. We are just having fun.
The entire
We are just four girls.
Sometimes even we
Without
are sick of each
PhD.
other.
Without PhDs, we don't even have PhDs. And like, oh, now it's gonna be true. 3 women with PhDs.
But
No, but
sometimes
yeah.
even we get sick of each other and we just enjoy the silence.
Yeah. We do.
True.
Like right now.
Bro, so like to put into perspective, the kind of influence that, this clan of YouTube, I don't know what you would call them. The KSI,
Yeah, no,
Logan
they
Paul,
have different this only.
People
like,
from the same era, I would say.
not
I
era, but their content is very like
Similar.
A
Yeah.
genre. Like you
The
can
same
club it into one genre.
sure,
Yeah, why are we getting into
Similar
that?
Whatever,
people, just say
bro,
similar
just
people.
the
Yeah, you know.
these people have so much influence that I remember seeing a video of Logan Paul and he got the mic on stage wherever they had this event and he was like, what's up Mumbai, whatever.
Yeah,
And
I
then-
can't fathom him saying Mumbai for some reason. It's so weird. Like what's up, Mumbai?
Yeah,
Weird.
it was pretty cringe.
Oh,
honestly.
Yeah, like I'm cringing right now. Like even imagining him say that.
Anyway,
Yeah.
I like Mumbai too much for him to say.
Yeah, like why is no? Let it be. Let it be.
Whoa, bro, that's a statement that I've
comment.
made, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we are haters.
We're haters, yeah. But as soon as he got the mic, bro, the entire crowd started chanting, fuck Jake Paul, fuck Jake Paul.
Who were these people?
They were people. So Logan Paul and Jake Paul obviously have a rivalry. Bro, to think that this
I want
man,
to ask a very stupid question. Are they?
they are brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I don't
I don't
I
follow the
can't-
side of YouTube. I don't know.
I can't even imagine going up on stage and there's a fucking crowd that's shitting on your blood and you're still there
Oh my god.
and you're not telling them anything. Like, I know it's all for like clout and it's all for like it's everyday bro with the
It's
Disney
so
Channel
irritating.
flow.
Annoying.
It's because like bro, हम कितना भागेगा तू cloud के पीछे?
This rivalry happened when we were in school. This happened in 2016, 2017.
Oh my god, that's long.
That's very long and apparently like they're still like sometimes they're like, oh that's my bro, and then other times it's like it's every day.
It doesn't matter if you're beefing or if somebody's fucking calling out your sibling.
It's not
Your blood
cool.
will boil.
It's not cool. And he stood there and he was just fine.
Ew.
It's very weird. But anyway, these people are trash. Jake Paul is no better than Logan Paul. You
I
saw the
don't know.
fight on Netflix with Mike Tyson.
Yeah. Yeah.
It made me so happy.
It did.
Yeah.
I've only seen the poster. And I was
I-
like, why is
I
Jake
saw-
Paul... This was not on my 2024 bingo list. Like, Jake
Yes.
Paul on my Netflix is not what I want to see.
No.
Netflix, get it together.
No, but honestly, even I didn't watch the Netflix thing. I just
Me
saw this
neither.
reel. But seeing him get beat
His
up
ass kicked.
even before the fight started, even in
Oh
that
my God,
face off.
yes. You know when they stand,
You know
they come
when both the
things they
fighters
come
like
each other like
Okay.
like,
Face
like
to
a final
face.
showdown before they start to
And then
fight.
they lean in for a
honestly-
kiss.
It's
They
it's
showed
honestly
it.
such a cute moment because I'm like, bro, kiss na now. Like
No, many people,
give the people
they
what they
kiss
want.
the glove or they kiss the forehead and then they just laugh it off.
Yeah.
That is so adorable.
Sportsmanship,
Why
dude.
do you want to be like all woo before the
Because
fight?
that's what the fight is about, right?
No,
The fight is about
you can be pokey before.
No, in the beginning.
Don't say Pookie, yaar. Ben.
Ben. No, but like before the fight, they all like. Ooh,
Yeah.
I'm a
And
man.
then like a one kiss or like whatever. It's
Yeah,
just adorable.
I
One
actually-
kiss is all it
I
takes.
actually saw this video. I randomly came across this one page which shows like these fights that happen and like they have this not stand up, but they come in front of each other, whatever. And then there was this one fighter who was like, he was like pretty calm, like okay, fine, bro, we're gonna have a fight later, but for now we can be a little chill, And then he's like. He like kissed him on his forehead, and the other person who was like all, oh, I'm a man. He was like, he ended up laughing. I'm like, that's so
I see
cute.
like a 12-year-old making an edit out of this, and it's just like sparkle
Hearts.
hearts.
Yeah,
and it
I know.
just flips.
It goes peach
But yeah,
Played by Melanie Martinez is playing.
Yes. Ooh. Down.
lockdown. But anyway, this video with Mike Tyson and Jake Paul. I think Jake Paul like accidentally like stepped on Mike Tyson's foot. And Mike Tyson lost it as he should because he was
he
like
entered doing like a gimmick or something, like he entered hopping.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that's how he stepped on Mike Tyson's foot.
like, I don't know if it
And he
happened
got pissed.
I don't know if
Bruh.
it happened accidentally or intentionally, but I loved that he got hit.
Yeah.
He got hit.
His face went like fuck.
It went
Like
Oh my
like
god,
crazy.
brother!
It was crazy to watch.
it was very fun.
I think
And
that
then he
would
went
have
like-
been worth
Yeah.
the Netflix subscription.
Exactly.
But
like
it's too expensive. Netflix is too expensive.
no, bro, I'll pay.
But
I'll
then-
give my first salary to watch that.
You get now your first salary. You have a lot of things to. Will you make it?
That's the question.
Yeah, but nahi yaar, like maza aa gaya. Like who does Jake Paul think he is to
In front of Mike
in
Tyson?
front of
Excuse
Mike
me?
Tyson? Yeah. I mean,
Excuse
what
me.
are you expecting? Like
But this.
if this man blows on your face, you will fall down.
This man is almost
Yeah.
60 and is capable to kick his ass left, right, center.
This man is Mike Tyson. Needless, I say more.
Exactly. The name is enough.
The name is enough. But,
Yeah.
like, okay, this pipeline needs to be studied for sure. From YouTuber to diss track maker to
It's a
puncher.
study. It's a
like,
study.
It's
Someone
what
like
is this?
It's a
write a
wrestler,
paper
not
on
a
this.
puncher.
Too many people are doing this now.
Yeah.
Like even like some women YouTubers have done this, and it's just I don't understand why people want to
My
watch.
gloves ka rates बढ़ा दो, I feel.
I just got it. I just got it.
मुल्की शक्ली प्रगति साल.
Oh, Ben. हाँ, so ये सब तो चलता रहेगा, but nothing will ever beat the local fights, bro.
Oh, bhai.
Local, what you see on the rasta.
Lafda.
Station, road, at home.
There's a dedicated.
on the car. Oh wait.
No, but honestly, there's something about watching fights.
Lafdas. No, call it Lafda.
Lafda, yaar. Matlab,
There's a dedicated page on Instagram called Lafda Vlog and Lafda Vlog 2.0 that posts the best fights
Yeah.
in like a station, on the train,
Oh,
in the train, in the
oh.
classroom.
I love train fights
Love.
because where are you going to go?
No,
You can't
it's
jump
so
off.
funny because like the train is doing its business of going to the destination and these guys are in the dabba fighting. Like, no, what's the point? And everyone else is like, अपने धुन में.
Yeah.
Like,
And
भाई मुझे
भाई.
घर जाना है, तुम लोग लड़ो.
भाई यहाँ पर एक इंसान बैठा है, यहाँ पर लड़ाई हो रही है, उसको घंटा फर्क पड़ रहा
मैं
है.
तुझे जगह देती हूँ. तू लड़.
This person has their
Earphones on.
boat headphones on and they're watching Mike Tyson versus Jake Paul.
You couldn't be more accurate.
That is what is happening.
Love.
It's insane. For everyone who thinks like sober people are hoity-toity, bro, you should see Alafras. Like
The best.
it's better because when you're in like the north and like those cities,
Yeah.
you expect that. You don't expect that in Mumbai.
True,
like
true.
you imagine like sober people, right? Like sober girls. There's always this notion case sober
Yeah.
girls are like this. They're very like
Ha ha ha.
Uppity
Very-
and like.
two-faced
Yeah,
and like
yeah.
they're
Yeah.
always nice to their like peers or whatever. Bro, there is this fight going around. Like it's kind of viral, I think. And somebody sent it to me. Actually, my sister sent it to me. Who am I gonna lie to?
Love
but
that.
These two girls from this school, which I will not name, came together because they were best friends, and then one of them hooked up with the other one's boyfriend, and then this chick was like, you know what? We're gonna have a fight and we're gonna fucking call people and we're gonna see where.
like a duel.
Bro, they've signed a contract and they were like, whatever happens, like no one's like responsible.
अरे बाप रे.
Let's fight this out
अरे
over a
बाप रे.
boy.
Oh my god.
I bet his name was Aryan. I bet his name was Ayan. No, wait, my cousin's name is Ayan. I'll take that again.
Rohan.
I'll take. I bet his name was Rohan.
No, I know a few good Rohans.
You do?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
you do. Yash.
What would it? Yash. Sorry.
You
Sorry.
need water. You're physically gagged.
Sorry.
मुंह चढ़ा गया. वापस लेना पड़ा.
Wait, what would his name be though? Ahan.
Arhan.
I know a good
Arhan.
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 Arhan or something.
Yeah.
Anyway,
From A.
they are like this girl was going around with a trash can to trash this other girl. There is a video of them literally like punching each other.
Is there hair pulling?
I think
Can I see
so.
the video?
Can
You
I see the
can, but I don't think we can. We should, because these people are literal children. I don't want to put this on the screen. If you know, you know. Like
Yeah,
I don't,
no, of course
Can
won't
we see it?
show
but you can see it.
I love a good hair pulling video. Like a hair pulling
Oh
fight
my
where two girls are like
God,
just
like-
at the hair.
No, it
the
got
hair.
me at the contract. The fact that they signed a contract stating that no one's going to be responsible for
boy.
each other.
This wasn't some guy's close friend story. Apparently, I don't know.
For a
There's
boy.
3 videos.
अरे बाप रे.
What's the last one? That's the best.
These are kids.
They are kids.
You can't bench.
Even the Gali Galoch is so, South
sober.
Bombay. Like, why are they fighting?
why do I know-
Why are they fighting in English?
Why does this place look familiar? I don't know why. it
Probably
looks
been there.
familiar.
I think it's outside GHC.
That's not JHC.
No?
JHC का गली बहुत पतला है.
Bro, the commentary is very funny.
I know. It's gold.
It's so sad because these guys are literally losing their mind over a guy and the other people are just making fun. I mean, to be fair, I would make fun too if I was
Yeah,
their
I
age.
would love.
But this is sad.
I would love to. I would pay to
As
watch this fight.
Being in the audience, I think I'm having fun.
Yeah.
Whoa. There's like sprinting and shit happening, bhai.
Yeah.
Like she's running. Crazy. और ये जो सब पीछे लड़के भाग रहे हैं ना, सब बकचोद है, सबको बस कंटेंट चाहिए.
Why?
But to think that they signed a contract and they called people.
Exactly.
They wanted people to see.
What is going on here? I wonder.
This guy has to be like the best guy out there. Like, that's the only way
No,
I see
trust
this
me,
working.
he's not.
No, he's not the best guy for sure.
He isn't worth it, but
I don't know.
these girls are also in school, so.
Now we're talking. I love a good hair pulling fight. See.
अरे हग क्या कर रहे हैं? अब मार रहे हैं.
Violently hug.
The song.
Yeah.
Love.
Yeah.
अरे
अरे
वो तो गरबा स्टेप था भाई. वो गरबा स्टेप था.
bro.
This is damn
Yeah.
What? And like they're kids.
They're children. Do their parents know?
I'm sure they do now.
इनके माँ बाप इनको बेल्ट से नहीं मारते.
Wow, that
was-
is something.
Dude, that was damn fun.
To get a contract, you would have to get your parents
It's-
involved, no? Think about it.
Yeah, they're minors.
They're minors.
Oh yeah.
Where would they?
But
अरे but ये हल्का फुल्का contract होगा ना.
bro, I was in the train traveling from college one day, okay, and so it was relatively empty, okay, and now this one so I was sitting here and there was this other auntie who was sitting here, okay, and she was just being a bitch to this one lady who boarded the train, and she was like, auntie thoda shift karo, mujhe baithna hai. So she just looked at her and she's like, jagah hai na wahan pe, baith jao.
Bruh.
So then she sat and then she like thoda pushed her to
Huh.
give her a hint to move.
As you do.
And then this auntie who was already sitting there, she started like, you know, like, कितनी मोटी है, कितना जगह चाहिए तुमको? And then she was like,
Was she fat?
she was not.
Okay.
She was, I mean,
have to know.
she was not.
Decent.
she was not like, she didn't need a lot of space. She was asking for enough space for herself. Okay?
Yeah.
And this lady was like, listen, auntie, I'm just asking for space. तो ज़्यादा भिड़ो मत. And then this auntie was like, हाँ इसीलिए तेरा पति घर पे तुझे तेरे से बात नहीं करता. I'm sitting over, I'm like, where is this conversation going? First of all, you commented on her weight. Secondly, you're talking about her family. Like,
You don't even know if she's married, right?
you met her 20 seconds ago.
Wait, who out of you guys told me that story of when you were in a train and these two, like, I think it was like two Bhabi and Devar or something along those lines, and they were fighting, and then this guy was like, "मुझे नहीं करना," and then this lady was like, "हाँ रात में syringe डालने आती है अपने अंदर." I wasn't. This happened in a train. I think it was Srishti.
It's definitely her. मलाड के टाइम में क्या होता है भाई? मुझे नहीं पता.
Bro, people like Bombay lafras are wilding.
This is
I'm
getting cut.
telling you.
Like, what the hell?
Syringe.
Love.
But
We don't endorse drugs. Guys.
We don't.
Like, for real,
Except
ठंडा
मटके का
पानी, ठंडा मटके का पानी is what
is
we
what
need.
we live
That's
on.
what we- yeah,
Is
yeah.
that's the best.
उसके नशे करते हैं.
So yeah, I think that's about
That's
it.
all, yeah.
That's
I
all
mean,
today
if I go any
happening.
longer, I'll start fighting with you guys. I bet you guys want to see that. You know, actually, I want to hear what you guys have to say because, first of all, thank you so much for watching till the end. And
Yes.
no, if you have, like, I'm sure wherever you're from in India or outside, you have to have seen, like, a fight. Like a local fight in your area.
Yes.
I want to know the gross details because this is very fascinating to
We
me.
want to know the gross details, and if you stayed until now, we want you to comment a fight emoji. Like,
yeah,
the
like a punch emoji.
We'll know you stayed till now.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah,
We just
but
want to know.
other than that, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @WeAreBesharam. Subscribe, comment, share this video with whoever you fought with. I don't know, or you want to fight with.
Yeah.
But yeah, don't forget to also give us a good rating on Spotify. And
That's
until
about it.
then,
Stay
stay
Besharam.
Bye.